just put out our code 0, sailed for like 5 minutes, and it was beautiful, perfect, and then the wind died. I assumed as much as soon as we got behind this island here. So hopefully here in about an hour we'll have some good wind to be able to sail.
We got dolphins, guys! Woohoo!
They're out there laying ways. I woke up from my nap for that. Good. Sorry, I just heard one. Spinnaker is amazing. So fun. So we got 19 knots, going at 8.5, 166. One really cool thing about, I don't know if all autopilots do this, but with NKE, it will allow you to, when you're going downwind, you can put it on apparent wind speed, or the autopilot on apparent wind mode. And so as the wind shifts, it will keep you at the same angle to the wind. And so it makes it so it keeps your sail full, so you don't have any problems with it coming down. So pretty cool. There's Dubrovnik. So we, trying to think, we were sailing about 6 o'clock this morning, and it is 5:15. So it took us about 12 hours. Well, it will take us about 12 hours by the time we pull in. So it was a beautiful day. We sailed about half of it. It was awesome, super fun. Excited to explore Dubrovnik. My parents are coming here. Our generator quit working. I got it serviced and then it stopped working. I don't know what's going on with it. We've troubleshooted everything on it. So our service guys that we found in Split, they're actually driving up here. It's about a 4-hour drive, and to be able to hopefully take care of us tomorrow. So hopefully we can get that all straightened out, because we love running our AC all night long.
Too many days in the darkness, without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart.
We got our new gangway. We're so happy. Very fun. From GS Composites. I don't even know where they're out of, but we broke ours and we called these guys and they had it here less than a week later. Anyway, so super excited. It's fully carbon, so it's super light. It's way bigger than our other one, but it's way lighter too, so it's awesome. So happy to have it. That's why I don't go shopping with kids. But we found double cream Oreos. First time. That looks nasty. Raspberry vanilla, caramel vanilla.
Wait, what? This is so weird.
Some people just don't know what's going on. It's amazing how in America, this is the only thing that people buy is double stuffed. That's why we're all fat. Alrighty, had a great day today. Just got a bunch of stuff done on the boat, cleaning up, and now we're heading back down to Dubrovnik. Is that what it's called? Yes, I think that's. Anyway, we're going to dinner with a couple of girls that we met. They're from France, but we met them last week in Split, and they came and played frisbee with us. So we're excited to spend a few minutes with them tonight.
Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Oh,
Grandma and Grandpa just got here, and they brought. That's it.
Christmas morning!
You happy?
Yeah.
Alrighty, parents got here this morning and just been hanging out, went to the pool. Now there's a cable car, goes up there, right there. I guess there's an awesome restaurant up there that we're gonna try and eat at. I don't think we're going to be able to, but we will try. So if not, we have reservations in the town, so very beautiful though.
with every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
Here's our new friends. The boys got stuck on the side of a mountain with the one wheels last night, and these guys rescued them. And so we took them to breakfast this morning. Super fun to find new friends. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Daddy, we're wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches. We can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe.
Alrighty, we just got done with church, heading back to Dubrovnik, and wowzers. So this is Cavtat, and right over here is Cavtat. Right on the other side of this hill. Dubrovnik is 2.5 hours north. Holy smokes, this is beautiful. This is what happens when you build a one-lane road. My wife.
You're too much.
Oatmeal for dinner. Got Mama with us. Just got back from church. What you got, Ribs?
Fish?
Is the fish just so sad that he keeps getting picked up?
No.
Look at that guy. Put him back. How's the fishing?
Good.
Alrighty, we are taking off from Dubrovnik, heading south. Oh my gosh, Cavtat is where we're going. It's where we checked into Croatia, and we are gonna hang out there for a bit. Hopefully catch up with a cute family that Ruby is playing with when we checked into Croatia. So, and I think we're gonna check out of Croatia today. So sad. And then we're gonna head down to Montenegro either today or in the morning. And our generator isn't working, so we're gonna get that checked out while we're down in Montenegro for a bit. So I'll show you some shots of it here in just a second, but Dubrovnik, Croatia is honestly the coolest put together city in all of Europe. It's, I may offend some people by saying that, but they have done such a phenomenal job of just making it so pleasant. It's all walking, tons of restaurants, tons of history. All the buildings are just amazing. It's super fun. And anyway, if you go to Croatia, Dubrovnik's a must-see. And if you go to Europe, Croatia's a must-see. Croatia's been a super big treat to us. We're so glad we could experience this whole area. Carried their wells down this whole mountain here. There's a tram that goes up to the top.
That's not a smart thing to do.
Alright, we just rolled into Cavtat. And there's this cool pathway that goes around the town. So just taking a few minutes cruising around. Gonna check out, figure out lunch, and be on our way. Got a new crew member. We met these guys when we first came to Croatia. Can you tell us your name? What's your name? Danine and Emma. We met them at the park.
We're missing the rest of the family. We're missing Ida and baby Una. And what's your dad's name?
Okay, I think
We're missing the rest of the family because they went home to Bosnia already. But
Just yesterday.
Just
We're so sad we missed them.
barely missed them.
But we gotta hang out with these goodies.
Emma and Danine are hanging out.
Woke up to a bit of rain this morning. We super disappointed. We have to cruise around to get to Cavtat for our generator to get worked on. And anyway, so it's like an hour and a half motor around, and then hopefully we can come back over here and spend the rest of the day today and tomorrow. But time will tell. So this cruise ship just pulled in. Had this one and this one pull in. Bit of lightning this morning. Kind of exciting. On sale today. Luminosity. $255 million. Man of Steel's a cheap one, only $150 million. Very cool. All right, apparently it takes like 45 minutes to get to the top, 30 minutes down. So tons of steps. We're excited to go through it. It's gonna be a good one. Made it 38 minutes, 284 calories, 832 feet of elevation gain. So cool. All right, had an awesome hike, and here we are. What do you say?